In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to organize and improve your QuickBooks certification exam study sessions. To get started, open ChatGPT and create a new project. This is a helpful way to keep everything related to your exam prep in one dedicated space instead of mixing it with unrelated chats. Having a separate project makes it easier to stay focused, find past conversations quickly, and build a more consistent study workflow over time. Once the project is created, add project instructions that clearly explain your study goal for the QuickBooks certification exam. This gives ChatGPT useful context from the beginning so its responses can stay aligned with what you're trying to achieve. For example, your instructions can say that you want help studying key QuickBooks topics, reviewing concepts, practicing exam style questions, and getting clear explanations that are easy to understand. The more specific your goal is, the more tailored the support will feel. Next, upload any useful files, notes, or study materials you already have. These could include class notes, exam outlines, review guides, screenshots, or other study documents. Adding your materials allows ChatGPT to work with the same information you're studying, which can make the summaries and explanations more relevant. Before uploading anything, just make sure your files are organized and easy to read so the results are more accurate and useful. After that, ask ChatGPT to summarize each topic. This is a great way to break large sections of material into shorter, more manageable explanations. Summaries can help you understand the main ideas faster and make it easier to review before a study session or practice test. If a summary feels too broad, you can continue the conversation and ask for a simpler version or a more detailed one. Then ask ChatGPT to create practice questions. This helps you move from passive reading into active recall, which is one of the best ways to prepare for an exam. You can use these questions to test what you remember, identify weak areas, and build confidence as you go. If you come across confusing accounting concepts, ask ChatGPT to explain them in a clearer and more approachable way. This is especially useful when textbook language feels too technical or abstract. You can ask for a basic explanation first, then follow up if you want a more detailed breakdown. As you answer practice questions or review information, take time to review the answers and ask for corrections when needed. This step is important because it helps you learn from mistakes instead of just moving past them. Clear feedback can strengthen your understanding and improve retention. Finally, keep all your study chats inside the same project for better organization. This makes your study process cleaner, easier to manage, and much more effective as your exam prep continues.